Hey guys, how are you all? I am Shuddho from Coding with Shuddho and welcome in our video. So today in this video we're going to learn that how to start writing HTML. We everybody know that HTML is a programming language and it stands for hypertext markup language. And today we shall see then how to write HTML. So to write HTML we need a software which will help us to write code and will help us to see the output of those codes. So if we don't want to download any kind of software like Atom, Backend Editor or Visual Studio Code Editor, Sublime Text, so also we can write HTML. So to write HTML without any third-party software, so we need to go the Windows search bar. So when you go in the search bar, then search for Notepad, then click on the software, then you will get the software. So in this software we shall write the HTML code and we also can see the output of the codes. Now we need to create HTML file. So to create a HTML file, go to file, then click on save as. Then your this PC will be open. Then choose area. I'm going to choose desktop. Then give a name. I'm going to give a name called index. Then our extension must have to be HTML because we are creating our HTML file. So give an extension called HTML. Then click on save. Then our file has been created. Then if we double click on this file, so our file will be opened on Google Chrome, Firefox or any browser which you will choose. So our file has been opened with Microsoft Edge. So now we need to write HTML codes. Now we shall write the first code of HTML. To write HTML we must have to use greater than and smaller than. And the first code of HTML is the document type. So in shortly that is doc type. So everybody use this code to write HTML and this code is the first code of HTML. So doc type means document type and our document type is HTML. So the second code of HTML is HTML. So only greater than HTML and smaller than is the opening tag of HTML and the closing tag of HTML is greater than /HTML and the smaller than. So every tags of HTML has closing and opening, but some of those tags has no closing tags. I will show the tags step by step. We have already created our HTML opening tag and HTML closing tag. So in this HTML tag we need to write our head opening tag and head closing tag, and in this head tag we need to write a tag I'm showing the basic tags which is title. So I'm writing the title opening and title closing. You are watching here, the name of the title is index.html, which we have already created the file name. But if we want to change this file name, so we need to give a title. If we give a title class 1 html topic, and if we go to file and click save, then if we click on the refresh icon of the browser, so we can see our title has been already changed. I hope this is enough for today, and this was the basic course of HTML, and I hope you will practice this for learn goodly and remember this properly. So bye bye for today. Please subscribe this channel for get more coding videos.